Mastering IEC 62443. An organization embracing IEC 62443 sacrifices short-term gain for long-term survival. When an organization decides to implement the IEC 62443 standard, what is its primary goal in doing so, and how does it expect to achieve operational excellence through the integration of these cybersecurity requirements into its existing industrial control systems? The primary goal of an organization implementing the IEC 62443 standard is to ensure the cybersecurity of its industrial control systems, ICS, while maintaining operational excellence. The organization expects to achieve this by integrating the standard cybersecurity requirements into its existing ICS, thereby minimizing the risk of cyber attacks, protecting against unauthorized access, and preventing disruptions to its operations. Operational excellence in the context of IEC 62443 refers to the ability of an organization to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of its ICS while optimizing its performance, efficiency, and safety. This is achieved by implementing a robust cybersecurity program that is aligned with the organization's overall business objectives and risk management strategies. The integration of IEC 62443 into an organization's existing ICS involves a holistic approach that encompasses people, processes, and technology. The organization must establish a culture of cybersecurity awareness among its employees, contractors, and partners, and ensure that all stakeholders understand their roles and responsibilities in maintaining the security of the ICS. The organization must also develop and implement policies, procedures, and standards that govern the cybersecurity of its ICS, including access controls, network segmentation, encryption, and incident response. These policies, procedures, and standards must be aligned with the IEC 62443 standard and applicable industry regulations, such as NIST 800-82 and ISA 62443. In addition, the organization must identify and prioritize its ICS assets, assess the risks associated with each asset, and implement appropriate security controls to mitigate those risks. This includes implementing secure architectures, such as defense in depth, and segregating critical assets from non-critical ones. The organization must also establish a continuous monitoring program to detect and respond to cybersecurity threats in real time. This program must include regular vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, and incident response exercises to ensure that the organization is prepared to respond to cyber attacks. Furthermore, the organization must implement a training program that educates employees, contractors, and partners on the importance of cybersecurity and the role they play in maintaining the security of the ICS. This program must include regular awareness campaigns, training sessions, and phishing simulations to ensure that all stakeholders are aware of the latest cyber threats and the best practices to mitigate them. The integration of IEC 62443 into an organization's existing ICS also involves the implementation of technical security controls, such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption technologies. These controls must be configured and monitored to ensure that they are operating effectively and that they are aligned with the organization's cybersecurity policies and procedures. To ensure that the integration of IEC 62443 is successful, the organization must establish a governance structure that includes a designated owner for the cybersecurity program, a steering committee to oversee the program, and a team of cybersecurity professionals to implement and maintain the program. This governance structure must ensure that the organization's cybersecurity program is aligned with its overall business objectives and risk management strategies. Finally, the organization must conduct regular audits and assessments to ensure that its cybersecurity program is operating effectively and that its ICS are secure. These audits and assessments must be conducted by independent third-party auditors and must include a review of the organization's cybersecurity policies, procedures, and standards, as well as its technical security controls. In conclusion, the primary goal of an organization implementing the IEC 62443 standard is to achieve operational excellence by integrating cybersecurity requirements into its existing ICS. This is achieved by establishing a culture of cybersecurity awareness, developing and implementing policies, procedures, and standards, identifying and prioritizing ICS assets, implementing security controls, establishing a continuous monitoring program, implementing a training program, integrating technical security controls, establishing a governance structure, and conducting regular audits and assessments.